Think you need your own product to start making money online? You don't. Affiliate marketing lets you sell products that are already proven, and you can start today. Most beginners get stuck because they think they need to create a product from scratch. But affiliate platforms like Digistore24 or ClickBank make it simple. You just browse their marketplace, and right away you will see hundreds of digital products you can promote, with commission rates often 30, 40, even 50% per sale. Here is the exact ChatGPT prompt I used. List 10 popular affiliate product niches that are high demand in 2025. Feel free to pause the video if you want to copy it. In seconds, AI gives you niches like fitness, finance, and online learning, all of which have products waiting to be promoted. The real challenge, though, is not just finding products. It is knowing which ones are actually worth your time and how to build a business around them instead of just randomly picking offers. That's where the AI Business Builder Challenge comes in. Delivered in 5 clear episodes, it shows you how to pick high demand products, set up your plan, and launch a business around them without needing funnels, tech, or a product of your own. Plus, you also get access to some powerful bonuses like the no funnel method that helps you get customers without websites, and the $136 million business plan that breaks down the exact process used to scale to 9 figures. So, if you've been waiting to start but thought you needed a product, this is your shortcut. AI Business Builder Challenge makes it simple to start selling right away, and it costs less than $20. I've linked the link for you down in the description.